Or a dog?
Yeah, let's go dog.
Should be a cat though. Just got back from the outside and now I'm home, and just wanted to show you guys what I got from the 99 Ranch Market. As you guys can see, I didn't get that much, but I got 10 packs of the Shin ramen. These are my favorite ramen, so cannot wait to cut this up. Also went to 99 Ranch Market for this specific item. This is a Kit Kat wafer chocolate, and I got 10 of these. I already ate one, and then I gave one to my boyfriend so we can have some. But these are so good, and that's why I got a lot of them, because 99 Ranch is not too close to where I live. So yeah, definitely want to stock up on that if it's good. Also, another update, I cleaned the litter crate box area, and I'm gonna add this blanket onto this now. I'm still like doing it, so it's not done yet, but I added these like toys in here and this fish, and then this like string so that she can be comfortable in here. Also, I added the door, and I can see that she now knows how to use it, so that's perfect. I can now keep the door closed and keep the smell from coming out. So that's that. And then I sweep the floor already, but there's already like some sand on the floor, but that's fine. We'll do that. We'll worry about that tomorrow again, but for now, new sand, new litter. I placed the scratching post this way in case she wants to come up. There's like different ways to go up. And then this has the padding thing as I showed you guys before. And yeah,